Hi there, it's me, Kelly, and I am here today to introduce you to my flower friend, Ageratum. This is, as you can see, blue Ageratum. It comes in different colors, pinks and whites as well. But I want to just take a minute to tell you why I love this plant and a little bit about where it comes from and how you might be able to use it in your flower arrangements and garden. So, Ageratum is native primarily to Central America and Mexico, but the United States has several varieties that are native as well. This one, blue Ageratum, is commonly available for purchase as seeds from a place like Johnny's Seeds. You can grow it from seed in your garden, sometimes an annual, in some places, in some climates, a perennial. What's the difference between annual and perennial? Annual means you plant it every year, pull it out. A perennial means that it comes back year after year. Perennials, a lot of times, some will come back for 100 years and some will come back for 3 years. There's all kinds of little nuances in those families. But Ageratum's going to bloom from about springtime into fall, again, depending on where you are in your climate. But if it's cared for, it has a very long bloom season for this particular plant, which is why it's a great cut flower addition. Now, texture-wise, let's talk about shape, size, color, and texture. These are the descriptors of an element that I'm going to add to a design that I like to just observe and think through, because as I'm choosing elements for my arrangements, I am trying to maybe create a mood or a feeling or something like that. And so this definitely has just a very soft, fuzzy texture whenever the flowers are blooming out, and each little cluster is maybe about 1.5 to 3 inches wide. I really like the texture of this flower because as I work with different types of clients, I feel like this can go from a place where it's kind of fun and zany, like it reminds you of those fun little cartoon trees that are made out of cotton candy or something, but whenever you pair it with more regal ingredients, it takes on almost this like velveteen kind of feeling. So I feel like this is one of those flowers that transitions really nicely to create a wide variety of moods based on what it is that you pair the flower with. It is not an edible flower, so don't use this on things that could potentially be eaten. Like, this isn't something that you would want to put on top of a cake. It attracts butterflies in the garden, so that's fun. It also has a mounding quality about it. So that's kind of what you're looking at in terms of the shape that this piece would be in your garden. It has a really great stem length so that you can use it in a wide variety of floral design products. So that's a little bit about my friend, blue Ageratum.